It's the train set to whisk people across the largest country in the Middle East, and to do so in style. According to the designs that have just been released, Saudi Arabia's dream of the desert train, which is slated to hit the rails next year, is set to be the region's first 5-star luxury train, and the first renderings for the 14 carriages have finally been unveiled. A joint project between Saudi Arabia Railways SAR and Arsenale SPA, the Italian luxury brand. The train is due to launch around fall 2026. It has been designed by Alain Asmar Daman, an architect and designer whose culture and architecture studio is based between Paris and Beirut. The idea is to amp up the luxury while referencing Saudi culture and heritage, including motifs from destinations like Al Yala, Madain Saleh and Hale within the design. The overall tone is suitably sandy, with golds, beiges and darker tones coupled with chrome fittings, reflecting the desert views outside. Reception lounges have been given the feel of a majlis, the room in a Saudi home where guests are welcomed, and include geometric patterns and hand-carved wooden elements. Bedrooms, meanwhile, have a richer feel, with a hint of Art Deco styling in the emerald-colored sofas, headboards and drapes, as well as the clean lines and wood-paneled walls. The train will have 31 suites across 14 carriages, while the restaurant menu will be curated by local and international chefs. The 130-kilometer route will take in the country's desert landscapes and stop at the city of Hale on 1- and 2-night trips, calling it an unparalleled travel experience. Paolo Barletta, Arsenale Group's CEO, said in a statement that the train will be a fully immersive experience. Dream of the Desert is currently slated to debut at the end of the third quarter of 2026.